Welcome to K&L's channel. Today we will be unboxing our brand new K2600 Tire Lift. We will start by cutting open the first box. Next, we will remove all the contents inside. In this box, we will have our wheel mounts and our lifting post. Moving on to our second box, we unpack and remove all the contents out of its box. We will have our handles, wheel adapter, tire support, tool tray, wheel bracket, and any associated hardware. The tools required are a 4mm, 6mm, 10mm hex key, and two 17mm socket wrenches. We will now attach the wheel mounts to the wheel bracket using 4 of the M10 bolts and nylock nuts. Secure them in place with the 17mm socket wrenches. For the next few steps, it is recommended to get a friend's help. Place the lifting post on top of the wheel bracket's mounting plate. Secure the post with 2 of the 10mm hex bolts. Next, install and secure the remaining 17mm bolts and nylock nuts onto the front bracket of the post.
We will now install the wheel adapter. Place the wheel adapter over the lifting post's mounting bracket and install the shorter 17mm bolts with washers onto the right side of the mount. Next, place the tire support bracket and place it onto the left side of the mount. Install the 2 longer 17mm bolts with washers onto the left side of the mount. The wheel adapter should now look like this. To install the handles, we will have to remove the existing 6mm hex bolts on the side of the lifting post. Then place the handle over the holes and reinstall the 6mm hex bolts. Installing the tool tray is a similar process. Remove the existing 4mm hex bolts and place the tray over the existing holes on the lifting post. Reinstall the 4mm hex bolts. Repeat this step on the other side of the post. Finally, remove the protective cap over the air hose fitting. Congratulations! You've assembled the K2600 Tire Lift. If you want to learn more, give us a call at 1-800-727-6767. Thank you for watching.